how to repair tools and weapons in Lego Fortnite. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to repair weapons and tools in Lego Fortnite. So if you want to do it, so you have to follow the steps. Now, Lego Fortnite does not provide a straightforward method to repair tools and weapons. Usually they just break after use. However, currently there seems to be a glitch or bug that can restore them. Whether it's intentional or not, here is a workaround. So first of all, what you want to do is place the tools and weapon you need to repair in a small storage chest, which requires 6 planks to build. After that, you need to hit the chest with the bare hands to break it. Surprisingly, when it breaks, your weapon and a tool will be restored to the full strength. Plus, you get most of the plank back, allowing you to build a new chest for the next time your tools and weapons break. And that's a wrap, and that's how it works. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.